So remember, amid all of this, I then decided to explore further. At a time like this, when there is absolute outrage, a condemnation that has come from world leaders on this, why is the international media so soft, so cryptic, unable to call a terror attack a terror attack? Here's more. Shock and anger after 20 tourists killed by gunmen. Who is shocked? Who is in anger? What kind of tourists? And gunmen asked what? They asked for Islamic verses to be recited. And when the victims could not, obviously, then they were shot on the head. That is the fact. Even if you ignore the headline, because there could be a style sheet norm or a space crunch and blah blah, come to the details. 24 people. Why could even an elaborate caption with enough space to write not mention that these 24 people were 23 Hindus, 2 Christians, killed at ease, identified and hit at point-blank range in a jihadist attack? NYT adds that it is a terror attack, but only in quotes. Because, well, the Indian Prime Minister said so. Otherwise, not so much, we're not very sure. At least 24 tourists gunned down by militants in Kashmir. Every word here is so problematic. Not simply 24 tourists randomly shot 24 Indians in their own country, checked and confirmed as non-Muslims, targeted on religion basis by radical jihadists, massacred, sent from Pakistan to identify and target them. Were lined up, sideline, asked to kneel, trousers pulled down for some of them, targeted on identity basis, leaving their women, mocking the families. Does any of this sense come from the headline that you just read here? The world is taking note. The world leaders are speaking and acknowledging. Why are then some in international media either soft peddling and honestly not even reporting at a mass level as this should have been? The Associated Press and other foreign agencies are more interested to use safe words. But their focus still is to ensure writing rather India administered, India controlled, rather than detail what unfolded in Pahalgam. First of all, let me break some misconception for you once and hopefully for all. There is no Indian occupied Kashmir. That's ignorance. Kashmir is the land of Shaivism, Lord Shiva and Ma Parvati, even before Islam was born. Maybe the international media does not care about Indians or Hindus, the brown people, you know. But I'm sure they care about the Israel-Palestine conflict. They've reported on it extensively. Did you not see similarities in the 7/11 massacre and 2204 for India? Not a coincidence. Hamas extremists were seen in Pakistan-occupied Jammu Kashmir in February. Look at these images. Similar strategy then was used on how Hamas had carried out the massacre on 7/11 was carried out in Pahalgam. The same high-tech equipment, body cam footage, helmets, targeted, identified attacks. International media cannot see what the world observers clearly can. The international media reported extensively on ISI-style executions, and today you intend to soft pedal because Indians and Hindus are the victims.